Hi there! Do you want to buy a perfect robot vacuum cleaner for your apartment or even like office? Seems like you're watching a right video. Today we're going to introduce you guys to one of the new vacuum cleaner robots from Xclea. The Xclea H60 smart all-around sweeping robot vacuum. It comes with the automatic dust collection, sweeping section, and mopping integrated, and also self-cleaning mops are included. So if you're considering to buy an appliance, take a look at this video, watch till the end, because we have so many new things to share with you guys. Meanwhile, I've just received this machine. I can't wait to see what is inside the box. So by opening it, all contents are well packaged separately and fixed in with the cardboard pieces. So there are a lot of accessories, as we can see. The first one, of course, is the cleaning solution, long cleaning brush, 2 replacement mops, and of course manual. So also inside we can see it has vacuum cleaner itself. Let's open it, right? Yeah, I see all the accessories has already equipped inside. So there's the 2 mops and of course the side brush. Really beautiful indeed. And there's the cleaning station. Yeah, this is so huge, right? So let's open it one by one. Okay, so yeah, it is. As you can see, there's a box inside. So let's see what is in the box. So as you can see, there's some dust box. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. 5 of them is here. And replacement side brush. Charging cable. And HEPA filter. Xclea H60 overall use a dark black metallic frosted material, looking really cool and very professional. I think it will be really great if you get it in your house. And unboxing experience was really pleasant. The Xclea H60 was well packaged and including all their accessories. Okay, let's take a look at the Xclea description of sweeping and washing robot. So locally clean button, it's pretty impressive button. It was created to find spots and clean it. Right at the completion, the robot will automatically go back to the charging base. This is obviously a switch button right here. When you use it for the first time, you have to press and hold the switch button before the sweeper can start working. And it comes accompanied with a recharging button, which is just right here on the surface, so you can also find out the new upgrade High than Ever 3 Lighter Navigator. It provides more advanced and rational road navigation planning. It can create home appliance map and ultra high precision, and the most fascinating news is that it's 900% faster than LDS4. Okay, let's see what else it has, right? So on this side right here, it's infrared window sensing. It prevents bumping on other furniture. If such case arise, it has a bumper system, and all along the edge, nice padding to prevent any other damage. On the both sides and edges, all along the wall. It was created to recognize the walls and clean all corners in their house. On the back side, we can see the charging contact and the dust collection port. Now it's time to open the face plate, right? Okay, as you can see, this is detachable, our dust box, right? And press the button right here to take it out. And of course, like it was equipped with a HEPA filter system. So right here, it was there's a 2-in-1 clean brush, and you can clean the brush itself and to cut all of the hair fibers and get tangled around the main brush. Okay, so there's also a reset button right here on the top. If your project has somehow some failed, or maybe some kind of press and reset the button to tell the machine to restore the factory settings, but I hope you don't use this function no more. To clean the floor deeper, faster and more roughly, they combine with a soft white fabric for cleaning the floor and gray polyester fiber to clean the stubborn stains. So they are also the height angle and also they are the universal wheel, as you can see, and directional wheel respectively. Here's also carpet detection right here. So when a sweeper checks the carpet, the mop stops and working and the sweeper automatically goes into turbo mode with the suction power of the soda 200 pascal to deep clean the carpet. So on the right side, as you can see, there's a head like side brush, right? So what else it has? I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, there are 6 cleave sensors right on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6, and these positions, right? This prevents the sweeper from falling down the steps or clip edge and causing any other damage. Oh yeah, this is actually a V brush in the middle of the robot. It's easy to take it out, just right, just like that. And you can easily remove it and when opened by pressing the catch. You can use 2-in-1 cleaning brush to cut off the hairs that get tangled in the main brush. So yeah, that's all. So I think it's time to talk about the Xclea H60 cleaning station. As you can observe, there are 4 functions on the button and surface just right here. There's a clean mop, recall, issue host, start, pause, base station, and dust collection control. You can easily monitor all the cleaning progress on the display. Okay, there is actually right here. And there are 6 different types of indicator that can remind you if there is any matter or what's going on actually right now. So there are also charging contacts and dust collection ports underneath and the mop cleaning bracket just right here. You can take it out easily and put it back. So open the cleaning station cover. You can see all the instructions on the lid part. Okay, there's a 4-liter capacity large or water tanks and that separate clean water from dirty water. You can use this cleaning solution for your future needs. Just add a few drops in the clean water tank. There will be antibacterial dust bag also, like the incubate of 99.99 of the bacteria. You can just take all of the drop during this part. It has a large capacity of the 3 liters. You can use at least for 60 days. I think it's pretty enough, and there's actually 5 bags in that. So you can use all of them for around 1 year. Another brush is located, so you can use it for basically cleaning the 2 water tanks what is inside and these parts also. So yeah, that's all. So Xclea sweeping rubber can be controlled by using the Xclea app just right here. So you can just download it by scanning QR code right here, or it supports both Android and iOS system. Okay, let's try it. We open an Xclea application to register our account and follow the instruction and connect the Xclea H60. Click the H60 action like icon right here to enter the control page. The first time when you use the sweeper or your washing machine to create the map for your home scanning, in order to make the sweeper work better, we can partition the map, set the forbidden sweeping and mopping area virtual wall, set the sweeping order, and etc. We can use the set sweeping order if your home has multiple layers, so you can set a multiple layer map. Click the small round button to set the cleaning mode and suction straight. There's 3 function buttons on the bottom, which are collect dust, wash, and start cleaning the start recharge. By clicking the 3 dots in the upper right corner, we can have more than settings. For example, you can set the sweeper carpet and the boosted carpet avoidance, or set the cleaning station dust collection mode. If your home has less waste, we can set the dust collection after sweeping twice or even 3 times, or never collect the dust. But I'm sure you won't do this unless you choose and manually clean the trash from the sweeper's layer box yourself. Below, you can set the frequency of the sweeper back to wash this mop. There is also a subtle consumable management where you can clearly see which parts need to be replaced or wiped down. Voice the volume allows you to set the sweeper sound level and 12 languages. Now we're going to use the sweeping and washing robot. Let's see how it will perform on the floor. To start using it, all you have to do is take out the water tank, fill it with water, and add a little bit of the cleaning solution and then put it back to the charging base. That's all. In order to simulate the real-life encountered garbage problem, we prepared three 15 centimeters wide and 1 meter long straight taste lanes, sprinkled with the flour, red beans, dog food, and other mixtures. Xclea H60 showed up absolutely great results on the floor. It cleaned every single debris on the floor and also hasn't missed anything. The carpet is also more likely to hide dirt. We also scattered mixed garbage on the carpet for testing. So Xclea robot vacuum has the cleaning power to dislodge dust on the dirt from the dense fibers. It will automatically increase suction power when the carpet is detected. Xclea has more suction power, as I said before. It's full 3200 Pascal. It can suck up different types of debris on the garbage at all once, which is great. Absolutely super results. What about the mopping test? Okay, let's see how this mop's gonna work on the hard floor. I'm kinda excited. A new mopping system can effectively clean up the stains. This model has the 12-in pressurized bionic mopping feature. It means that it wipes the floor till it gets shiny and clean the tough stains as well. Just like a human hand, or even better. That's pretty much impressive. I just love it. We poured the coffee on the floor and waited till it gets dry. And the Xclea H60 cleaned the air-dried coffee stains very well. We continued to test with the red wine, milk, and the ketchup, and the Xclea H60 also cleaned perfectly. How about we're gonna talk about self-cleaning? After cleaning the mopping having been completed, before the sweeper returns to the cleaning station, let's check the condition of the mops, which is, as you can see, really dirty, right? Now let's sweeper return to the cleaning station and checks out the dust collection and the mopping performance. What I'm most looking forward to see the mop's self-cleaning results. As a comparison, this is the look of the pads before the cleaning, and this is like after, and wow, it's indeed very clean and absolutely like great results, I'm telling you. And the dust box is empty and all garbage was sucked up into the dust collector. All the dirty water is also going to the wastewater tank. The mop rotates very fast during the cleaning process. The mopping cleaning efficiency is super high, is very high, which is absolutely perfect to clean up the stubborn stains. After washing process is completed, the cleaning station will provide hot air for the sweeper to dry the mops. Not, it's the hot air, okay? Some sweepers use the cold air to dry the mops, and those have the use to know it's cold air. Not only takes a long time, but the mops have this kind of like bad smell or odor, or even the mold. Xclea H60 with hot air drying is a wonderful idea. It's not only 300 times faster than cold air, but also remove bacteria, especially anaerobic bacteria, mold, and the most important, it leaves no smell after drying. Okay, after waiting some time, let's check out the situation after drying the pads. The pads feels very well, very dry, and smells no odor. This feature is fantastic. It's finally over! Personally, I think this is a little great robot and can be the help to people who are just really busy with work or just can't be bothered with sweep the floor or vacuum or wash and mop their apartment regularly as they wish they could. By summarizing all the information, this is what we have learned about this amazing robot, right? Xclea H60 is such a super powerful and highly intelligent robot vacuum cleaner with a new generation of the high Dynavis 3 LDS laser navigation. It provides high precision positioning, advanced algorithm, and advanced cleaning efficiency, and also it blew off a hot air to dry the mops. Haven't seen any brands doing the same thing. Such an awesome way of improving your household chores level and cleaning routine. So what do you think about this Xclea H60? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're already on one, please share your experience so other potential customers know what to expect. And thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!